Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now select System, Languages and Keyboard, then Manage Keyboards, and over here Default Keyboard. You need to tap on Keyboard 1 and click on Keyboard over here. Then select Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. When you're ready, you can download one of those images like that one. Click on the sweater next to keyboarders to disable or enable them and tap Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and turn on or off keyboarders by tapping on this sweater. Then click on Apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!